Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the various concept in industrial pharmacy. So by clearing this concept, we can apply the industrial aspect in relation to regulatory affairs. So let us see one by one what are the different concepts that we are using in industrial pharmacy, and this will be helpful for you to score good marks in industrial pharmacy subject dealing in 7th semester also. So, first term is about zero defect product. So, zero defect product is a term that is related to the quality, safety, and efficacy. So, if we are ignoring any of this quality, safety, and efficacy, we cannot compromise in pharma industry. So, this is a concept relating with the patient to provide them zero defect product. That means the product with having quality, safety, and efficacy without compromising these three we are supposed to give to our patients. So we can tell that the zero defect product is a continuous product. That concept, to get a zero defect product, it should be a process of continuously evaluating, and it is an end to end process from the supplier to the company. To get the zero defect product, we want to produce a high quality product. So, in that, our main aim is to reduce the defect at our maximum by incorporating high quality raw materials. So, there are four key principles of producing a zero defect product. First one, we have to understand the change, we have to plan the changes, and we have to implement those changes and communicate changes. So, these are the four key principles of change management to manage a zero defect approach. Normally, this zero defect concept focuses on MSME, means they focus on the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Thereby, the country or small enterprises can produce the zero defect product utilizing the environment concept also. So, in the zero defect product, we are extra giving emphasis on the consumer to get zero non-conformist as well as zero wastage of the product. Next concept you may come across in the subject is COPP. COPP means it is a certificate of pharmaceutical product. So this COPP is needed by the importing country when we want to apply for the process of registration like licensing, authorization, or for the renewal purpose of registration. We are using this certificate of pharmaceutical product or COPP. The COPP certificate is issued for a single product because it is giving the certificate for maintaining the arrangement and approved information for a particular product as well as the strength also. So we want to know what type of drugs for which we want to get this certificate of pharmaceutical product. If the product is coming under the category of approved drug products, we want to occupy as well as API, active pharmaceutical ingredient. We want to get the certificate for the OTC product, unapproved drug product, as well as homeopathic drugs also. We want to get this COPP certificate. Next one is you may come across IND term. IND means investigational new drug application. So, investigational new drug is a program we are incorporating in our company to get a permission to start a human clinical trial across our state before going into the market. So, two types of investigational new drugs are there. we can categorize it into commercial as well as research type. Commercial means we want to commercialize the product in the form of NDA. So, in the type of commercial investigational new drug, permit the sponsor to collect the data regarding the clinical safety and efficacy. But in non-commercial or research type, it will help the sponsor to obtain advanced knowledge about this. So these are the two types of investigational new. So next we are going to think about what are the different types of investigational new drug application. First one is investigational new drug application. So in this type, application is submitted by a physician. This physician will initiate as well as doing the investigation. Means the physician is doing the work. In that case, we are giving or applying the investigator IND application. Second type is emergency use investigational new drug application. This application allows the FDA to authorize to use this investigational new drug in emergency situation. And the third type is treatment investigational new drug application. In this case, what we are doing is that we are submitting for the experimental drug. Whereas the fourth type is known as screening investigational new drug application. Normally, this application is filed for the multiple closely related compound which we are preferring for the formulation. So these are the four type of investigational new drug application: investigator, emergency use, treatment, as well as screening investigational new drug application. Next concept you may come across is Six Sigma. So as the word suggests, you have to symbolize by Six Sigma. So this is a concept for the improvement of our process. Means we want to get the maximum quality for reducing the operational costs in the industry, as well as we want to satisfy the customer need also. So in that concept, we are using the concept Six Sigma concept. So actually we can call it's the statistical measurement of product variable, and this Six Sigma concept help us to get the result with continuous quality improvement. So how we can execute the Six Sigma principle using DMAIC? Means we have to define, then measure, analyze, improve, and control the process to get a quality product. Next concept is CTD. CTD means Common Technical Document. So this document is doing for getting permission for a new drug approval. For example, if you want to get approval for a new drug, we have to submit this CTD, that is Common Technical Document. So we have to document or design this according to the international requirements. So CTD having 5 modules. One is module 1. In the module 1, we have to write about the administrative or legal information. This is specific to one thing. Then second module we have to write the summary. Means what are the general introduction in one category, what is the mode of action, proposed clinical trial, etc. coming in the second module. And module 3 means we have to add the quality information like chemical, pharmaceutical, and biological information. So we have to write in the format of guidance M4Q. The fourth module is we have to write the non-clinical information. Means we have to write whether the drug is safe or not according to the M4S format. Finally, we have to write the module 5, that is a clinical information. That is, we have to write information about the clinical efficacy in a structured format according to M4E. So these are the various concepts we can come across this IP2. Hope this will be useful and you can share to your friends. Thank you for watching.